Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here, by seeing itself you can say the trend is a downtrend, and at present we have a momentum which sellers have been entered continuously. So I am following the momentum, that's it. There is nothing to think much. Already we have a downtrend and we got a momentum. By seeing itself you can say that the market has been retest the previous level and moving to the next level. Okay, so try to understand, and up to the next level our point is only to go with sellers. Okay, so no need to think much. Yeah, you can continue with sellers only here. Maybe in this video, if I get any opportunity that you could know new better, means I will definitely show you the point. Okay, see here the sellers are getting stronger, so we have to follow the momentum. What is the next candle? Can I go again with sellers? Yes, I will go with sellers. Okay, let me find any buyers level here. Okay, here we have an area where the buyers have been entered. Whether it has been touched or not, we have to check. 1 second, let me zoom in. Okay, the minor area. Okay, we have to see whether the level is plotted perfectly or not. Okay, let me adjust slightly. Yes, now perfect. So by itself you can say still there is a gap, so easily we can win this trade. Okay, I have a question for you. Here the level has been entered finally, and it was a strong level where previously buyers have been entered continuously. Now we are in a momentum. Will it break the level or will I get a reversal instantly? I think you have seen my video so many times. Maybe this point I have shared with you. Again I will show you. Here already the market has been closed exact at the level, so I will do one thing. I will go with buyers with perfect entry point. We'll see what will happen. See, left side you have a buying area where the buyers have been entered. It was a SNR or whatever it is. So here I will go with buyers with perfect entry. We'll see what will happen. Sometimes I have mentioned this point so many times. When we are in a momentum, the market could break sometimes it could reverse instantly. And one more thing, the momentum is not at all a weak, it is strong, and it doesn't have any strong rejections too, so you can't expect here, so it will break. So for your clarity only, I have taken buying trade. It's okay, nothing will happen. Maximum whenever you are trading with a selling momentum or buying momentum, try to wait at the levels or try to follow the momentum, because most of the cases the market will break. See, this is the example. Okay, now we can go with buyers. Oh, it's late entry. Okay, anyways, it's late entry. We will recover in the next trade. It's not a big deal. But here why I have gone with buyers means, now officially the area has been breakout and it's a strong area. So where the trend has been started, that kind of area means we should expect a buying candles here. So that's why only I have gone with buyers. Okay, my entry point is late because the market has been suddenly bumped up, so that's why it's okay. So you try to understand this point whenever you are trading in a momentum. So when the consistency candles are coming down means, try to respect those things, because it will break the level sometimes. Because if without breaking, whenever the market is trying to respect means, there will be no movement further levels, so it will try to break. Later it will reverse, it will retest, and it will again come down. So this is the process. You can see from the top, every time market is breaking, reverse, again continuing. So that is the point. Okay, so now with confidence I can go with buyers. We take more amount. Okay, I have taken nice trade. Why? Because this is a confident one. Why? Because already I have mentioned you one point, that the area is a strong area, and after that you got a candle that the buyers are confirmed, so easily you can expect minimum 2 candles here. Okay, so you have to understand these points. Don't go blindly with the every trade. Even when you are taking trades means, there should be valid reasons. If you don't have any kind of valid reasons, try to wait. What's on hurry, right? And even the chart is not similar to you means, try to change the chart. Why you should stuck on the same chart with faces the losses? Am I right? So easily we can win these trades, so try to understand the points. Okay, now I have 50-50 chances. I'm mentioning this point. Why? I have two 50-50 chances. One, the market is coming from a strong area. Okay, I need to take margin of safety for this. 1 second, here I have a one more level and I need to take margin of safety because, okay, I have got nice entry. Okay, I will take one thing. Yeah, I have taken nice entry. Okay, now I will explain the scenario. Here, if you notice, whenever you draw a level or a trend line, the market has been closed below the level and opened gap up. See here, my line is in between of the two candles. It has been somewhat gap up. In these kind of situations, 50-50 chances will be happen. One, either buyers will come, either sellers will come. After this candle, if this was a buying candle, after this candle you can expect a selling candle, because sometimes only these kind of things will be happen. So try to understand. These are the tricky areas, because when we observe only we can identify these kind of things. Okay, see here our entry point is evidence. Now I can officially go with sellers, because previously there was an opportunity that momentum after two retracements I can go with sellers, but there is a situation like that indecision area. So try to understand those points. Okay, if you identify zoom only, you will get these points, otherwise you can't find it, because it will be a normal, you can think like that. So easily now you can go with sellers here. So try to understand these all points. Okay, I think you have a clarity regarding these things. Okay, if you don't have clarity, try to watch once again. Easily you can find out the reason what I am talking about. And one more thing, what is the next candle now? You have 15 seconds right now. Yes, you can think. Already I can say, you can say that the trend line has been breakout. It's okay. Now the market is closing at the buying area, and you left side you have a 3 candles. What did you expect? Buying or selling? Come on. Yes, you can go with buyers, because already left side I have mentioned you that the area is fulfilled of a buying area. Left side you have a buying zone continuously, and at present in this kind of situation the resistance trend line has been breakout, which indicates maybe the market wants to go up. Who knows, maybe the market needs some support. So here you should respect these kind of things. Without any indication, the market won't reverse. Here we got an indication that the market is trying to go up. So try to understand these points. So try to go with buyers in these kind of scenarios. So whenever you are trading, if you have valid points, like minimum 2 points needed to take a trade. So try to understand, if you have the 2 points, take trades. Okay, see here finally we got one. Now what is the next candle? Can I go with buyers? Already from that area we are seeing continuously buyers, means yeah, you can expect a buying candle. So try to go with buyers here. Maybe today the momentum is fast in the market. All of a sudden, whenever the entry is placing, it was placed somewhere else. Anyways, like this happens. Maybe it was because of the OTC. Anyways, whenever you are trading in the OTC, try to maintain some margin of safety, or try to avoid the trade too. It's better, because sometimes the volatility is too high. So try to understand these things. The market momentum is too fast, means when you are placing a right area also, it will bounce back to the somewhat late entries. So try to understand, try to observe these kind of things in the market. Okay, here the buyers are getting strong. Okay, I think up to now the scenario has been explained. I think you have got clarity regarding these things, right? Okay, what is the next candle? Can I go with here sellers? Yeah, here we can go with sellers. Why? Here I want to explain you a minor thing. The thing which I want to show you, I got the opportunity here to. Previously, whenever the market is in a downtrend, previous retest which will respect. See, previous I have a support level in the top. I have plotted only 2 support levels, which was a horizontal lines. Previous support, market whenever it is being reversed, the previous level, it has been respected. Try to understand those points. Now also same thing is happening. Whenever the market is making an U-turn, previous support become the resistance. You can ask, where is the support line, sir? Already I have been plotted, sir. The support line, obviously you can check. Previous support level become resistance. So I could get a retracement at least. So I can expect a retracement here. So because we are trading in a 1 minute time frame, we should focus on each and everything, because 1 minute is more opportunity for us. And now the market has been gap up and opened at the buying area, which indicates the buyers should enter in the market. Previously the buyers have been entered from those areas, means yes, you can go with buyers here, because if you check the level which I have been plotted previously respected, present the candle made a gap up and opened at the buying area. It's a valid level, so here I am going with buyers. Okay, so react according to the situation, don't think much. Okay, take the recent levels, plot the levels, filter the market, take trades. That's it. Don't go much, because when you are trading in a 1 minute time frame, it's more enough to understand the market with the levels. See, here the buyers are interested. See, okay, I will show you my history also. Okay, what is the next candle now? Can I go with buyers or sellers? What do you expect here? Already the market is coming from buying area, right? What do you expect? Try to go with buyers. That's it. There is nothing much to say. Here you can check my history also. Okay. Whenever if you get these kind of tricky areas, try to wait, because let you understand the scenarios, or go to the charts, get back in the previous time frames, check the areas, same scenarios will be available. Because lack of practice only, we can't identify sometimes the charts. Okay, so try to understand the charts first of all, easily you can gain the knowledge. See, here the buyers are entering. What is the next candle? Do you have any idea? I don't think so. The market is getting weak. Okay, so I will do one thing. Yes, nice entry, nice entry. 1 second. I will go with buyers here. Yes, super entry. Okay, I will take 1 second. Let me go with buyers here. 1 second. I'm waiting to reach the level. Yes, I have got nice entry point. Yes, I have taken the maximum level of margin of safety. I can say this is a full-fledged margin of safety that I could go with buyers here. Because if you notice, the candles are coming from a buying area. Continuously they are getting stronger. I don't get any kind of weakness. So market will make one more buying candle easily, because I didn't find any weakness. If I find weakness, I could go with a reversal, but I didn't find any weakness, means definitely I will go with buyers only. See, that is the point. So whenever you are trading, you should understand these minor logics. If you understand these things, easily you can predict the market perfectly. See, now I got a weakness, and left side the market didn't even break the wick level, so which was a resistance zone. So can I go with sellers here? Yes, I can go with sellers here. So try to understand these things, because I have mentioned this point so many times. Horizontal means it's a zone. Trend line is a level. Okay, remember this thing. So the zone is not breakout yet, which means the market is still respecting these levels. So try to understand this point. Okay, and one more thing, if you drag my major trend line, there will be a seller's entry easily, because the market has been reached already. So you should understand these all points, so easily you can identify the points. Every time, see, you can check my history also. Try to practice. My thing is to saying, your thing is to practice. So try to practice these things. Okay, I think you have seen my history also. I think this is my last trade I have completed. Okay guys, have a nice day. Thank you. Take care.